How to borrow or read the books without paying any charges. On the Libby library application, there is a learning platform where you can read various books or text without paying any extra charges, or how you can simply download or get it on your device. Now, for this, you just need to stick to the physical or vertical mode here. Let me just switch off my auto read system, and then this is my home page. That yes, I have library card, or if you don't have a card, you can simply click on not yet. Now here click on find nearby libraries. You can also search the area or the zip code. Like, let me just search a random library from here. I will click on a library, and then I would like a card option. You can click on show nearby branches, and then you can simply select a branch that you would like I'm gonna do this one. This is my branch. When you get your library, you can simply link it from there, and then you can read all the titles regarding that. Like this book, you can read it simply in this menu. Like, as you can see that the book is readable right now, so you can click on the more and keep reading it. This is how you can get a book. This is how you can select a library, and this is how you can create an account on this. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.